Hi, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today I wanted to talk about this hot spring market in real estate. So, we often work in homes where we're helping people prep their home to get it on the market or help them to declutter and do a little bit of pre-packing before they maybe sell their house. There's a couple of things that I want you guys to consider. The first one is when we're optimizing a home for showing, we want to do a little bit of packing. So let's say we need to declutter anyway, and some of these items we know we want to keep. This is a great time to have some of those boxes available and go ahead and start packing up those items, clearly labeling it and storing it either in your garage or basement or storage area. That way, not only are we decluttering, but we're also pre-packing. So it's gonna make it much less stressful when we get down to the wire to get everything packed up. The second thing I want you to do is optimize your counter spaces. And the reason I want you to do that is when there is a call for a showing, you maybe don't have a ton of time to get your house tidy and get your house ready. So one thing that we love is nice, clear countertops, and the two main areas being kitchen and bathroom. So if I know that I can walk into my kitchen, open up my cabinets, put everything from my countertop down below into my cabinets, same thing in my bathroom, take everything, like all my personal getting ready supplies, grab it from the top of the countertop, put it underneath, or put it behind closed doors, I'm now ready for my showing. That can be huge and critical. And it's a very easy thing to do. You're going to basically organize and declutter your cabinets. That way you're going to have nice space to pull things from the counter underneath in a very short amount of time, making your house look wonderful. And in times it can be kind of stressful, but it takes a lot of stress off of your plate. So just those two things, make sure you're doing your pre-packing and make sure you're optimizing those countertops. So if you have any other questions on relocations, getting ready for showing and stagings, definitely reach out or send me a little note in the comments. I'd love to help you out. I'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.